Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabinet seal on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new cabinet seal for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's cabinet seal creates a seal between the body of the dishwasher and the cabinet. The seal serves to improve the appearance of the dishwasher as it sits beneath the countertop while also helping to reduce noise. If the cabinet seal is damaged or missing, the dishwasher may make more noise than normal and also may cause the door not to shut properly. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. The dishwasher is held in place by 5 mounting brackets located here beneath the countertop. Using a Phillips-headed screwdriver, remove the screws holding the brackets to the countertop. Then, gently pull the dishwasher far enough forward to gain access to the back of the brackets. Note, if the dishwasher does not move, you should not force it. If you're unable to move the dishwasher, check to ensure that there's enough slack in the plumbing and electrical connections. The mounting brackets are held in place by small bent metal tabs. Using a needle nose pliers, straighten the tabs so that the brackets can pass through the slot in the frame. Then, rotate the brackets and pull them forward to remove. Now, gently lift the cabinet seal off of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new cabinet seal, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the cabinet seal to the groove on the top of the dishwasher and push into place. Then, align the mounting brackets to the slots on the frame, noting that the tabs must face to the right. Hook the right side of the brackets into the slots, rotate, and set into place. Then, bend the tabs up to secure the brackets in place using needle nose pliers. Now, open the door and gently push the dishwasher back until the pre-existing screw holes in the countertop align with the holes in the mounting brackets. Finally, reinstall the screws, being careful not to drop them into the dishwasher. Also, avoid over-tightening, as doing so can strip the wood. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.